And turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert. This morning, weather-wise, we saw a very active day yesterday. Saw a lot of precipitation in some parts of our region. Are we seeing the same thing for today?
No, today is going to be a calm day, kind of sandwiched in between two separate storm systems. The one that we dealt with for Wednesday and Thursday, then another one that we're going to deal with for Saturday and for Sunday. But for this morning, dry conditions. We are just dealing with the cold, and it is very cold. 26 degrees this morning in Yreka, and we're back to dealing with single digits for the east side. 2 degrees for Lakeview, 3 degrees for Chemolt. Seeing a pair of matching 30s for Grants Pass and Medford. Teens and 20s throughout the Shasta Valley, and we are flirting with freezing there along the coast. 36 degrees in Brookings. So inland, there's still enough moisture to where we're going to have to deal with some frost this morning, and we'll get pretty close to that threshold along the coast. Here's your dining forecast for today for the Rogue Valley, giving it 2 stars for lunchtime and 1 star for dinner time. It's just going to be too cold out there, especially for dinner time if you're not sitting in the direct sunlight, because there's not going to be any direct sunlight for dinner time. But today will be nicer compared to the previous couple of days, just because it's not going to be a washout and it's not going to be a whiteout. But we're going to have winds starting to pick up again, and clouds will start to pick up again too, and that is ahead of the storm system that we're going to have to deal with for Saturday and into Sunday. Temperatures today will struggle to even make it out of the 20s. For the east side, will be in the 30s and 40s for west side valleys, and mid 40s there along the southern Oregon coastline, where we can't rule out a stray shower this morning, but that is a very low wind chance. And then overnight, very, very cold once again, and we'll continue to see that increase in clouds and an increase in winds up in the Cascades and along the coast. Temperatures will be back into the single digits in teens for the east side. Will be in the 20s for west side valleys and mid 30s there along the southern Oregon coastline. Now we'll kind of tease to that storm system that we're going to deal with for Saturday and Sunday with Stormcast. So we'll pick up the action here at 8 in the morning on Saturday, and you can see by the time you get to lunchtime, a lot of that moisture is going to drift from the south up towards the north. Coverage isn't looking super impressive by lunchtime, but it looks a lot more impressive into dinner time. You're seeing a lot of blue here on the map, which means that there's going to be a lot of snow. Snow levels bouncing around anywhere between 3,000 to 4,000 feet, and we'll continue to have more rounds of it heading into Sunday. So your weekend forecast breaks down like this. Saturday looking like the nicer of the 2 days. I think Sunday is going to be a lot wetter and a lot more gray. And we are going to see some winter weather impacts from all this for Saturday and Sunday, but just a medium risk as opposed to the high risk winter storms that we saw the past couple times. Here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. We will deal with showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms over the weekend, and finally getting back into a calmer pattern. Seeing some sunshine for Tuesday and for Wednesday. For Siskiyou County, we'll have another chance at snow this weekend, but again, snow levels are right around 3,000 to 4,000 feet. We're not expecting the drastic snowfall that we saw just yesterday. Then for the east side, same thing. We will have some snow. Obviously, you saw a lot of blue on Stormcast, especially for the east side. So snow showers looking likely for Sunday. Not sure if the impacts are going to be as grand as what we saw from these past couple of storm systems. You can say the same thing for the Cascades and Siskiyous, but roadways already tough there, and that problem is going to get compounded over the weekend. Then for the Rogue Valley, looking wet for Saturday, more so for Sunday. Showers lingering into Monday, then finally getting some more calm weather for Tuesday and Wednesday.